Hi, this is Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances. I'm actually going to go over our Kitchenaid dishwasher. This Kitchenaid model is model KDTM404 KPS, which is the print shield stainless. This is a 44 decibel dishwasher, which means that it's a very quiet dishwasher. If you've got an older unit, it's going to definitely be quieter than what you have. A couple key features on this unit. This unit has a Pro Wash feature, which uses sensors to figure out how clean or dirty the wash water is, adjusts time, adjusts heat. Great feature on this unit. It also has an express cycle, which is great for glassware. So I'm gonna just jump in. There's also some other cycles like an extended heated dry, but I'm gonna jump in and really just show the true benefits of this dishwasher. Inside our bottom rack, we've got cushion tip tines at the top, which help prevent rusting. On a lot of the older dishwashers, rust protrudes right here because our plates go in and out. So this gets excessive wear, so that's very nice. Plates load left to right here. Cookie sheets or casserole dishes can fit along the side or along the front, facing the back of the unit. In the very back, there's a tine that'll actually collapse. So if you need this extra space in here for a large cake pan or something, you do have that. We do have a removable silverware basket, which is great. It's nice and heavy duty. With this, you put your knives, forks. The forks go with the tines facing up. Knives typically down. So you do actually have the option of sliding this off as well. So if you don't want to use that, you can do that. Moving on to the top rack, we've got an adjustable rack here. So where you see these two little maroon tabs, this will actually adjust up, which is nice because for taller items on the bottom, taller plates or casserole dishes, etc., we can raise that up. Or conversely, if we've got taller sports cups or taller mid-sized bowls actually, or larger bowls, we can put those along the sides. We also have some tines that'll collapse here as well. And then we do have, like, this is actually a tab designed for some glassware, so some wine glasses, which is nice, okay? And then our very top rack is kind of like a flex type rack. What we're gonna have is we're gonna have wash action on the left side here, two different wash ports, one for glassware, you can put glasses in through here, and then over here you would actually lean some coffee cups. And what's nice about this is they actually give inside there's a symbol for glassware and a symbol for coffee cups. And then this is kind of a flex rack, which is designed for utensils. So you can either leave this in here on the right side, or you can remove that and put other type of larger utensils. If you'd like to learn more about this Kitchenaid dishwasher or other products, please go to donsappliances.com or visit one of our Western Pennsylvania showrooms.